Hello, what's up mga katoy? So welcome back for another unboxing video natin. So as you can see, this is the SH Figuarts reissue. The final form Frieza, or the fourth form Frieza. Yeah. So this is the authentic SH Figuarts. As you can see, we have here the Toei Animation seal, the IP, Dragon Ball Z, the Tamashii Nation logo, the Bandai logo, and we have here another Tamashii Nation's quality seal. So this is the front of the box, the side art of the box, and the back of the box. Ayan. So let's open this up. So here we have the assembly sheet or the manual. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo. Ayan, paano ikabit yung parts, mga interchangeable parts. Ayan. And for his accessories, we have here the 5-star Dragon Ball. We have a halo here. We have 2 alternate heads here. Bali tatlo, kasama yung nandun sa body. One with the open mouth or screaming head, then greeting teeth head, the mad expression head. Then the other one is the neutral head na nandun sa figure. We have 2 key blasting hands, 2 open palm hands or relaxed hands, a crossed arm, 2 different pointing finger hand. I guess this is one with the yung power niya, tapos ito nagtuturo lang siya. Then we have alternate feet here as well, and of course Frieza is not complete without his tail. Ayan, I guess ito lang yung merong joints dito. Ayan lang, itong part lang na to. Maganda sana pati yung iba, kasi medyo hindi mo alam kung paano mo siya ipopose eh. Medyo makakasagabal ganito, static lang tong part na to, tapos ito lang yung may joints. May mga plastic pa, hindi pa natin natanggal ang mga plastic. So ayan, actually ang sukat ni Frieza is nasa lang siya, 3.7 inches, around 4 inches. Maliit lang siya actually. So let's check for Frieza's articulation for the head. Can go look down this much, look up this much. Medyo may konting tilt. We don't have a butterfly joint, I guess, pero yan yung pinaka butterfly joints niya, yung magalaw-galaw lang siya ng ganun. And we can go up this much sa kanyang shoulder. Ayan, yan. Guys, this is a reissue. I don't know if there's a new engineered on this model, but I guess wala. But the only problem I notice is yung mga paint colors, and there's a violet color around here on the back. Parang nahawaan siya, and a little bit discoloration underneath. Ewan ko, kita sa video. Hindi naman noticeable, pero kung tititigan mo, parang I don't know if this is an old stock or sabi kasi nila reissue, and I received this last year and ngayon ko lang siya in-unbox. So naka-display na siya ng around 3 or 4 months, ngayon ko lang siya in-unbox. So let's continue the articulation. We have bicep swivel here, the double jointed elbows, the wrist swivel and wrist peg meron naman. And for the ab crunch, we have the lower ab crunch. I guess we have the upper ab crunch as well. Naririnig mo naman. Ganyan. Medyo sagabal lang to sa upper ab crunch niya. Medyo malilimit ang articulation natin sa part na to. But I think this one is removable. Nakikita ko yung joint sa loob. Yung plastic, mamaya ko na siya tatanggalin. Ayan ko lang muna. And for the thigh articulation, You can drag down the tie. Ayan. Pero wala siyang tie swivel. And we have double jointed knees. Then we have ankle swivel, ankle pivot, but we don't have the toe articulation kasi ito nyo naman yung paa niya. So it doesn't have any toe articulation. So Frieza is really very small creature. Ito nyo naman sa kamay ko, guys. Oh. Liit lang niya. Oh, halos ano lang nung kamay ko talaga. Sobrang liit ni Frieza. So for me, I guess there's no difference from the old Frieza since this is a reissue and they don't have any announcement from the machinations na new model siya, nag-engineered siya. Ang problema lang, may mga paint, minimal paint or QC issues nga lang talaga dito. Ayan, kitang-kita naman yun. Lapit ko pa konti. Ayan, kita niyo yung application ng paint. Yeah. Then we have here a hole here at the top of his head, lagayan ng halo. And notice ko rin may mga konting cell shading siya na pangit yung pagkaka-apply ng paint. Ayan o, gaya niya. Yan, halatang-halata na sa camera. Try rin natin kabit tong tail. Ayan. Just like what I said, medyo makakasagabal to sa kanyang articulation yung pagtayo-tayo. So, tara. Let's have some pose for Frieza. And thank you for watching, guys.